How long does it take to get a divorce in Nevada? Hello everybody, my name is Daniel WIAFE and I am a document preparation company that is located out here in sunny and beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm not an attorney, but I am licensed by the state of Nevada to prepare, file, and get your divorce complete in the court of law. So any of the information that you learn from this video shall not be construed as legal advice. And if you are needing a divorce, legal separation, annulment, any other type of legal document or service, make sure you go to our website at vegasdivorcepros.com. Link should be right here or up here. So one of those places and you'll find our link. All right. That being said, you guys, let me answer your question on how long does it take to get a divorce in Nevada. All right. So many people try to get a divorce in Nevada, even though they're not residents of the state of Nevada. Okay. Now, this is a big no-no because you're actually supposed to get a divorce in the state that you are a resident of. Okay. Or your spouse is a resident of. All right. So the rules down here in Nevada is that in order for you to do a divorce down here, you need to have resided in the state for at least 6 weeks. Okay. And basically you'll need to have a Nevada address, and you'll have to have another Nevada resident sign an affidavit of resident witness, which basically states, hey, I know that that person has lived here for at least 6 weeks. Okay, so that is what is asked for by the court. Now, let's talk about the length of time. All right, many people, they want to get a divorce out here just because out of all the states in the union, Nevada has the shortest amount of time. Okay, so if you're doing an uncontested divorce, meaning you're doing a joint petition where both you and your spouse are going to sign the divorce papers, then guess what? After the documents have been filed at the courthouse, usually it takes 1 to 3 weeks for the judge to sign off on the divorce decree. Okay, it's that quick. All right, we've had divorces that we have filed at 10 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday, and then by 3:00 p.m. that same day on Tuesday, the judge signed off on the divorce decree. So I don't know of any other state in America that has a shorter or a quicker time frame for you to get your divorce finalized. Okay, now that being said, let's say that you and your spouse are not in agreement, right? And you need to serve the spouse the papers. Okay, as long as your husband or wife doesn't contest the divorce in court, then usually that time frame is about 2 to 3 months for the divorce to be finalized. Now, if your spouse does want to contest the divorce and they want to fight it out in court, then obviously it can be a much longer amount of time. Okay, it can take as long as 6 months to a year plus. Okay, depending on what things you guys are fighting over. Last but not least, you guys, let's talk about publication divorces. Now, publication divorces are divorces that you do when you do not know where your spouse is at. Okay, your spouse is missing, maybe they got deported, you just don't know where they're at, right? So you can't find them to have them sign the papers or even serve them the papers. Okay, with that, basically we're going to do a complaint and it's going to get filed, and you're going to have to attempt to serve them at the last known address that you have on record for them. And when that comes back bad, then we're asking the judge for permission to publish it in the newspaper. Judge gives permission, publish it to the newspaper. That ad needs to run for 5 weeks. Your spouse gets 3 weeks after that to contest it if they want to, but they never do because it's a publication divorce, right? And the judge will sign off on your divorce decree. Usually those type of divorces, publication divorce, takes 4 to 6 months on average. Okay, so quick summary, you guys, okay, on the speed and the quickness of getting a divorce in Nevada. Joint petition divorce, where both two parties sign, 1 to 3 weeks. A complaint where you need to serve your spouse the divorce papers and they do not answer, typically about 2 to 3 months. A publication divorce where your spouse is missing and you don't know where they're at, 4 to 6 months. Okay, so I hope this answers your question. My name again is Daniel WIAFE with Vegas Divorce Pros. You can visit our website right here at this link below my finger or above the finger, whatnot, right? If you're needing a divorce, make sure you get our 15-minute free consultation by going to our website. So peace and God bless you guys, and we're glad to help you.